Hello everyone, let's learn how to make a pattern for shoulder dart to armhole side seam intersection. So for this particular dart manipulation, that is shoulder to armhole side seam intersection, we need a bodice block that has two darts on it. One at the mid shoulder position and the other one at the waist position. So as it says shoulder to a armhole side seam intersection, so only the shoulder dart will be shifted and the waist dart will remain at its place. So now how to do the marking for this? See, as a rule, the armhole side seam intersection is this position, that is the intersection point of armhole and the side seam. But if we have a dart exactly at this position, it will be very uncomfortable for the wearer. So what we will do is, we will shift this position half inch below the armhole side seam intersection. Half inch to 1 inch you can bring it down. And then from here, we are going to draw a slash line till the bust point. Draw the scissor action to show that this is a slash line. You can show multiple scissor actions on this. And then finally, we are going to do the labeling. So again, we'll write center front in the center. We will draw the grain line, a straight lengthwise grain line, and we will label this as shoulder dart to armhole side seam intersection. And this is my step 1. So step 1 involves just marking the slash line. We will trace this again on a sheet of paper for step 2. So I have it already ready here with me. So let me just mark center front and draw the grain line first. Quickly I am going to mark the slash line on the side seam and draw the scissor action on this. This is my step 2. So in step 2 what we do? We slash the slash line and as it says shoulder dart to this position, so we need to close only the shoulder dart. The waist dart will not be closed in this case. So I am going to close the shoulder dart now. You can again tape it if you want. And now for step 3, I need to trace this on a sheet of paper. So let me just take a sheet here. Place it on top of the sheet. And start tracing it. This is the neckline. Then I have the shoulder line. Armhole curve. So I am now at the side seam. Just have to mark this point. Rest we'll do with the help of scale. The intersection. Waist we'll trace it completely because it is curved. And before taking it out, I need to mark the bust point also. Now let us join these points together with a line. this is my step 3, wherein the shoulder dart has been eliminated and the dart intake has been shifted to the armhole side seam intersection point. Let us do the labeling here. Draw the grain line. Label it as shoulder dart, to armhole side seam intersection, and do not forget to mention step 3 here. Right? So I'll repeat once again. I'll show you all the 3 patterns one by one. This is step 1, wherein we have marked the slash line. In step 2, we traced it again, marked the slash line, slashed the slash line, and closed the shoulder dart. For step 3, we'll trace this on another sheet of paper. So here is my step 3. Now I'll quickly cut this and I'll show you the truing of this dart as well. So when you reach close to the dart, you're supposed to close the dart intake to true the dart. I keep repeating this in all my videos and during my classes also, because it's very important for you to remember this. Otherwise, your pattern will become a faulty pattern. So do not have to commit such a mistake of not marking it correctly. So we'll close one of the dart leg over the other, press it nicely, and now cut it. Cut it along the side seam. So here it is ready. Thank you.